So we're going to be focusing on finding the x-intercepts or the zeros. You'll know it because it says equals 0. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the first parenthesis, set it equal to 0. And then take the second set of parentheses and set that equal to 0. And now solve just as you know before. Add 5, x equals 5. That's one of the answers. Subtract 3, x equals -3. That's the other answer. Okay, that's all you have to do. Some of you will start getting really good and seeing a pattern, but make sure you really get the pattern so that you get the right answer. Take the first parenthesis, set it equal to 0. Take the second parenthesis, set it equal to 0, and then solve. The opposite of -5 is +5. Divide by 2, and do me a favor, just leave it 5/2. Circle it. Now this one, +3, x equals 3. Okay. I encourage you to pause it and try this problem yourself. Add 1. Divide by 2. 1/2 is 1/2. Leave it 1/2. +5, x equals 5. Okay. Same thing here. Now some of you are going to notice a trick. You notice that when this was minus, this was plus, and when this was plus, this was minus. So some of you might just go straight to this. And that's fine and all, but you need to be careful because when there's a number in front, it's not as clear as that. Some of you will still see the trick, and that's totally fine. I'd like you to eventually get to the point where you just know the opposite of -8 is 8. Now this one's a little bit different because if you notice these both have parentheses, but this does not. So if it doesn't have a parenthesis, make a parenthesis. Once you make the parenthesis, set it equal to 0. Since the 3 is touching means multiply. The opposite is divide. And now the opposite of +7 is -7. If you want to go x plus 7 equals 0, -7 minus 7, that's great too. Letter F, similar to E. If I don't see a parenthesis, make a parenthesis. Set it equal to 0. X equals 0. Set this equal to 0. X equals -9. Okay? This is just part 1 of the lesson. So I'm going to have you do numbers 1 through 12, and it'll be worth 2 points. Okay, so do that right now.